Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the emergency stop circuit is live and that power indicators read normal. This ensures the stop will actually cut drive power. Once done, move into position so your hand is unobstructed and press the e-stop decisively. Don't jab or tap. You do this to trigger the mechanical latch or electronic interlock immediately. Make sure to observe status lights and error beeps as you actuate it, because they tell you whether the stop engaged mechanically versus electronically. Once the e-stop has engaged, confirm all hazardous motion has stopped by looking and listening. Rotating parts can coast, so you must be sure nothing will restart. Then isolate energy sources, cut main power, lock outbreakers, and bleed capacitors or pneumatic lines if present. You do this to prevent unexpected restarts while you assess. Next, capture diagnostics, write down fault codes and photograph indicator panels, because those records speed troubleshooting and guide a safe reset when authorized to proceed. To finish, confirm the area is safe and guards and interlocks are properly positioned. This prevents rapid reclosure hazards during restart. Once cleared, remove lockout tags and follow the specific manufacturer reset sequence. You must power up slowly and run a controlled test at low speed. If the system refuses to reset or shows persistent faults, consult the logged error codes, attempt the prescribed manual reset steps, and if that fails, halt and call maintenance. One key troubleshooting tip: check sensor alignment first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.